everyone. I'm very happy to be here. Many thanks to Dejan and the ND team for this great organization. But all of this organization is important because you are here, and thank you for your time. We just to start my presentation with some part of, you speak about Amcor, what we are. And after, I present all of the range of Amcor for pouch and reels we have. For Amcor, this is some number of Amcor. It's a huge company. It's a worldwide company, very important. But it's not only for the sterilization department. In Amcor, we are some different business unit. And the best important is the food, because the food packaging is very important. And the second one is healthcare. And in healthcare, we have a lot of different customers. For example, in medical device, all the big company in medical device manufacturer is a customer of Amcor for packaging. And it's the same for the laboratory pharmaceutical company. It's a very important partner of Amcor for the packaging too. Amcor, all the plant in Amcor to manufacture healthcare product is completely conform of the standard, ISO standard and European standard. Now we speak about the standard range with a paper, pouch and reels. You know this range, it's a BOP range and U-Pack. We have two range with two different characteristics. I explained this. This range is with a PET-PP, is laminated, and we have worked since 20 years for the good technical characteristic of these pouch and reels, like resistance, like reduce the cost to propose to you the best price, but like my partner said, it's very important if you want a quality, the price, it's not possible, is a low cost price. It's the reason in Amcor we prefer to have a high price but with a high quality because the sterilization is very important in hospital. And we have some indicator and possibility for formaldehyde, for steam sterilization and ethylene oxide. Just for your information, this range is not possible to use in H2O2 or plasma sterilization, because for this sterilization, you use only the synthetic fiber. If you have the fiber of paper, it's not possible to use in H2O2 or plasma sterilization. It's the reason we have three possibilities. It's a Tyvek, it's a SMS, and it's possible with Ultra, okay? In our range, we have all possibility with a flat pouch, flat reels, gusset pouch and reels, and self-seal. Self-seal is not recommended in CSSD, but it's used in dental, for example. It's a cabinet of dental. It's interesting for this because you don't have a sealing machine, but if you have a sealing machine, it's better because you have a possibility to control the closure of your packaging. It's not possible with a self-seal. Okay? This is our very important part of the quality of our product is the pullability. The pullability of this product is very important because when you close your packaging and you do the sterilization after, it's very important in operating theater, you have a possibility to have an aseptic opening, aseptic presentation. And if you don't have the good pullability, you have a lot of emission of particle and you destroy the part of the paper or part of the film, and it's not good for the risk of infection. It's very important when you test the packaging, it's very important you test the peelability because you are in sterilization, and for you in sterilization, the best important is the closure and the sterility. It's okay during the cycle of sterilization. But it's very important you thinking, is it possible in operating theater, it's possible to open without any risk of contamination during the opening. It's very important you work with operating theater for the choice of packaging, okay? We just to compare, because we have in a market, and in our range, we have a 70 gram and 60 gram. You have some manufacturer, and us, we choose 60 or 70 gram for the paper, but this demonstration is just to understand, it depending of the quality of the paper, and with a 60 gram or 70 gram, the characteristic of the resistance is exactly the same. Okay? Now, the second important specification of our range, it's a film and the printing of the film. The film, it's a special film produced by Amcor, internal production, and we do the best quality of the film for the pelability, because it's a very, very, very important. And the second part, it's printing. We have two different printing inside the film for the BOP range, and on the paper for the ViewPack. Okay, all it's interesting, but we choose for our best range the printing inside the film, because it's better to don't have a risk of the migration during the sterilization cycle. This is all the characteristic of the BOP. The quality system, because in manufacturing plant, we do all the best with a quality system. It's very important. And we are all ISO quality manufacturing. Best pelability, standard conformity. It's very important. You see what is the standard conformity for the pouch and reels. Just is ISO 11607 and European standard of 868 part 5, because some manufacturer propose other conformity of the standard, and it's totally forbidden, because it's not for this product, it's for other product. It's very important you control just these two conformity. We have a wide range, because we have a lot of size, lot of different range, like a flat or gusset pouch, and the printing inside the film. It's very important for us, because you don't have any risk of the migration during the cycle. This is some important characteristic of the pouch and reels. You have the color of the film, because it's better to see if your seal is good or not. You are, for the pouch, the very important for the peelability is the chevron. Chevron is very important if you want to peel. It's the reason we said all the time, if you have the possibility to use a pouch, it's better than reels, because with a pouch, you have a chevron, and with a chevron, it's very easy to peel. With a seal, it's not the same, and it's very important you qualify your sealing machine, and you have not just the strong seal, but you have a strong seal, but you have a possibility to peel. Because if you have a very strong seal, it's not possible to peel. It's very important you qualify. You do the qualification for the sealing machine. And you have a passage indicator and 3 rubber zones for the seal. For our seal, it's just for the good peelability. Now, we speak about innovation. In Amcor, we have a big resource and department for the research and a new product, because in food we have a lot of requests from the customer, but it's the same for the hospital. And since 18 years, we are alone in the market to produce the new innovation pouch and reels in the market. It's very important for us. We are the leader in the worldwide market, and it's very important we continue to promote and to have the innovation. And with our department of research and development, we do our best to propose to you the packaging in function of the new standard and your issue in the sterilization department. For this, we have 2 innovations since 10 years. The first one is IntegraPack, and the second one is Ultra. And we receive, because it's just in France, we have the award for the new innovation product, and we are the award for these both products. We speak now in first about Ultra. This product, why we work on this product since 10 years. 10 years, it's to develop this product because we would like to have the possibility for you, the SBS, because you have a lot of constraint of physical contract during the transportation and the storage. And the opening, it's very complicated to obtain the good pullability in an operating theater. It's very important to find the material with a very good pullability, better than with a paper. And we have control and the good seal integrity. Okay? And for this reason, we developed this new product with a conformity of 11607, part 1, and UN standard. And we developed the film and the material. This material, it's a new one. It's without any fiber. It's just a synthetic fiber, and with a strong resistance, with a conformity of the standard, and to use it in a steam sterilization. Because like this product, you know Tyvek. Tyvek, it's exactly the same characteristic in terms of resistance and conformity, but the Tyvek, it's not possible to use in steam sterilization in 134 degrees. And it's the reason it's a new one with Ultra. It's a synthetic product, synthetic material, but it's possible to use in steam sterilization. This is the important innovation with this product. And it's compatible with all type of sterilization in the department, in the hospital. This is the process. It's a patent of the process. We have a special machine in Coulommiers, in our plant. And to do this process, we transform the fiber like a SMS fiber on Ultra. And we realize some tests before to introduce this product in the market. Oh, sorry. and for example, we controlled the seal, and we made the test with some hospital, and we have the resistance of the seal and the material for 40 kilo inside. It's a very huge quality of the resistance and the strong pullability for this material. And the innovation of this material, we don't have the direction of pullability, because for the paper, if you use the pouch and reels on the paper, you have a direction of pullability. It's very important. You use the good direction. With this material, you use what you want, because you don't have a direction. Okay? This is the comparison of the material existing in the market, like a paper, SMS, and you see the resistance, for example, of Ultra, the performance. All of this performance, Ultra is higher, all of this competition. This is the burst resistance. And the pullability is very nice because you don't have any emission of particle. And it's very important in operating theater. For example, if you are the surgery for ophthalmic surgery, it's very important you don't have any particle. And when you open Ultra, you don't have any particle, because the pullability is not due the separation of the fiber, it's due the pullability of the film. Okay? It's very good and it's very easy to peel. And for this, it's very important, because if you want to have a conformity or V11, 6 or 7 part 2, it's very important you qualify your sealing and your closure. And with this material, it's possible to control with a sealing machine. You have a qualification of the sealing machine, and after you have the test for the quality performance. It's very important, like you do, like my colleague said, for the sterilization machine. It's very important for the washing machine. We don't speak about, but it's very important you control, because all we said, the washing is very important if you want to have the product, sterilized product. It's very important you control your washing machine. It's very important to control your sterilization machine, but it's very important you control all the days, if it's possible, or all the week, your choice, the sealing. Because the sealing is the maintain of the sterility. It's very important. If you don't do the good sealing, you are sure you don't conserve the sterility during the transportation and the storage. And it's very important you have some tests for this and to use this test. And after we promote this product, we have some requests for the heavy packaging, like baskets, instrument tray, and it's very difficult to put the instrument tray in the pouch if it's heavy. And we develop, and with some manufacturer, like Gandus, you see when you are in the showroom, between you and Avo machine. And with this packaging machine, it's very easy to package the heavy instrument tray. We have all conformity of all standard, and the very important part, after we start with this product, is very important for us to calculate the shelf life, what we recommended. And we do this shelf life study with Christine Denis. Christine Denis is the president of the World Association. And we decide to do the shelf life test directly in CSSD. We put some packaging in a storage in operating room, and we take some packaging all through the 3 months to the laboratory and to verify if the medical device is sterile or not. And we do this test during 12 months with a single packaging and double packaging. And now it's possible to send you the certificate for 12 months. But it's very important you understand what is the shelf life. If you put 1 day, 1 week, 1 month, or 1 year shelf life in your packaging, the best important, you say to the operating theater, the control when you open. Because all the manufacturer, it's possible to send you the shelf life, it's recommended, but after, it's very important to control if you don't have a hole and if the sealing is closure after the opening. And if it's okay, you use. But the shelf life is important, but the control is very important before to use the medical device in our operating theater. Your choice, you put what you want in terms of date, but the very important is the control. Okay? And for us, we stop at 12 months because Christine Denis said in an operating theater, it's not important more than 12 months. Okay? 12 months, it's a good time. And if you don't use the medical device since 12 months, you will sterilize. Okay? This is it's possible to package. It's possible to package all you want. It's possible to use in single packaging or double packaging because all the tests we do, it's for single or double packaging. Ultra, it's a SBS, sterile barrier system. Okay? Single, it's a sterile barrier single system. And after, you choose in function of the analysis of the risk in your CSSD and operating theater, if you do the single packaging or the double packaging. The standard don't say use single or double. It say just you calculate in function of the risk in your CSSD. If you have a very important risk during the transportation and the storage, you do the double. If you don't have any risk because you use the strong material and you have a good storage and good condition of the transportation, it's possible to use a single packaging because the SBS, the sterile barrier system, it's a minimum packaging for the medical device. Okay? This is all the characteristic of the ultra material and ultra pouch and reels. I don't repeat exactly the same, but all of this characteristic is very important. It's the pellability, it's the resistance, it's the printing inside the film to evade the risk of the migration, and the pellability without any emission of particle. This is all of our benefits for you. You win the time if you use this, and you win the money. Because if you, for example, if you compare with a container, for example, now, like we explained, the washing of the container is very important, but it's a strong place in the washing machine, and it's easy to use single packaging if you want to replace, for example, the container because you don't have the money to invest for the container. All of this is very important for all of medical device. We have a lot of customers to use to replace all the packaging just with Ultra because it's possible to use in CSSD. And the very important part too for the operating theater, for example, because all the packaging for instrument tray is a packaging without visibility inside before the opening. And with Ultra, it's possible to see inside the packaging before the opening. And it's very interesting, for example, if you are the rent instrument and you don't know exactly what you have inside and you have a lot of baskets and you open just what you want to use, not all the baskets, the packaging. Okay? And it's very important, and operating theater is very happy with this because if you lost, for example, one instrument inside, we have the visibility before the opening. Okay? This is the comparison with some other packaging like wrapping, but it depends. I think it's not possible to have just one packaging and it's better for all. But for the CSSD, it's very important you analyze what is the risk, and in function of the risk, you use wrapping, you use pouch and reels, you use a paper or a strong resistance. It depends on what you have, what is the medical device you put inside. It's the same for the container. You have some advantage, but we know for some AV instrument tray, container, it's the best solution. Okay? We don't have a best solution for all. It's your choice in function of the risk. This is some equipment to combine with Ultra concept, like sealing machine, like packaging kit, and the storage, because storage is very important. If you use the packaging, if you don't have the good storage, it's possible you have the best resistance quality of material. If you don't have the good storage and the good transportation to the operating theater, it's very difficult to obtain, to conserve the sterility. It's the reason it's very important you made some audit of your storage in operating theater and you change if the storage is not good. And the practice, it's very important to educate the nurses and the people in operating theater for the storage. It's very important. The last one is IntegraPack. IntegraPack is the pouch we manufacture with SMS material. This product is, we start with this because in the past it's very, very important to replace the container and the wrapping because some customers would like to change it and to have the solution for this. And this product is very interesting because we have a big, nice and easy peelability, easy packaging, no noise during the opening because it's a soft material. We have a conformity of 11647 and UN standard, and we have the shelf life for 24 months in double packaging. Now I said for Ultra we stop at 12 months, but for this material we continue during 24 months. But I think 12 it's a good time. Okay? Because if you have the long storage, the risk is very important. This is the characteristic of this product. It's possible you have a part of the sealing. It's very easy to determine what you do the seal. You have the special machine because it's not possible to use the rotary sealing machine for this material. It's just an impulse sealing machine, and it's possible to put the label on this. IntegraPack it's a first packaging with a strong resistance with a conformity in pouch. It's a conformity with 11607 part 1 and it's part 2 for the control of the closure. Okay? All of the advantage of this concept, the flexibility, because you have some packaging to reality adapted of the size of the basket. The resistance of this product is very good. The time, you save the time because it's easy to package. And you have a security because you have a shelf life for 24 months and you have a control and no emission of particles during the opening in operating theater. Thank you so much.